Hello everyone. In this section we will be discussing about staircase lighting or staircase wiring. So figure 2.88a is the basic schematic diagram for staircase lighting. In this figure, as you can see, that L is the lamp, S is the switch, S1 and S2 are the two switches controlling this lamp, and it is very clear from this figure that S1 and S2 are not normal switches, they are two-way switches, and these two lines are the neutral and phase or a two-wire arrangement from the distribution board that generally is used. So if now we will be discussing about the connectivity or the direction that the current will follow. So the basic idea for staircase wiring or staircase lighting is that the uniformity of the circuit should be maintained. If it will be changed, the current will not be able to flow properly, or it will be a hindrance for the current and the lamp will not glow. The basic idea is the switches, the position of switches should be maintained either in this direction or in this direction. That means what I am saying is these two switches should either be in this direction or they should be in this direction. But if one of it is over here and the other is over here, that means the circuit will be following a path somewhat like this and then this. So what happens is, here is a void. The current will not be able to flow through this and this lamp will not be able to glow. Now if you consider it for the other side, that means if you are turning off this switch and this switch, then also what happens is the current is following a path somewhat like this and there is a void over here, so this lamp will again not glow. So for glowing this lamp, what is needed or mandatory is that these two positions should be uniform, means these two things and these two things should be identical. Now what next we will be discussing about is staircase wiring. Basically find their applications in stairs. So suppose you have to travel from position A to position B, and if you are standing in position A and you have to turn on this light L, then what you will be doing is you will be setting this S in this direction. Now what happens is this is in this direction, S2 is on the left side, S1 is again on the left side, and the circuit is being completed. So this lamp will glow. Now as soon as you reach to position B, you have to turn off the light. So when you will reach B, you will change the position of switch S1, and on changing, what happens is this will be in this manner. That means this switch will be changed in this direction. When you have reached B, you will turn the position of S1 and this S direction will be changed in this direction, and here is a void. That means the current will not be able to flow and this lamp will not be glowing. Now again, when you are at B and you have to come downstairs, what you will be doing again is you will glow this, you will again turn on the switch, and the position of this switch will get back to its original direction, and this path will be followed and this lamp will glow. Now so this is the basic idea for staircase wiring. This is a wiring diagram for staircase wiring. In this diagram, what happens is this is the wiring diagram for staircase lighting. So if you correlate the schematic diagram, then you will get a brief idea about this. So this is the lamp that was being connected with both the switches. So this lamp is first of all connected to the main line, and it is now connected to the switch S2. Then this common looping over here is shown by this arrangement in the circuit. The last thing, that this main line is connected with these switches. So this is the main line that is connecting the switch, and the position of the switches that we were talking about, this position and this position, are these position. They can either be in this direction or either in this direction.